Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Forms or Google Drive and creating a blank form. Sign into the Google account you intend to use. Name the form and add a concise description so respondents know the purpose. Once done, pick a template only if it fits, otherwise begin with a blank canvas. Make sure to set the form language and basic settings now, because early choices, like collecting email addresses, affect later options and analytics. Now you construct the body. Add questions, choose appropriate types, and mark required fields. Use sections to break long forms and add go to section based on answer logic for conditional paths. This creates a smoother respondent experience. Insert images or short video clips when visuals improve clarity, and include help text under questions to reduce confusion. Once your question flow is logical, preview and test each branch to confirm respondents land on the right follow-up sections. Finish by opening settings. Choose whether to collect email addresses, limit to one response, allow editing after submit, or enable quiz grading. Each choice changes respondent behavior. Test the live form end-to-end and then share via link, email, or embed code. Set access permissions if restricted to your organization. After responses arrive, review the Responses tab, export to Google Sheets for analysis, and adjust questions as needed. If something breaks, clear the browser cache or test in an incognito window to isolate issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.